Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix header overlap on Wix. So without wasting any more time, let's start out today's video. Fixing header overlap on Wix can be done with a few adjustments. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you resolve the issue. Step 1. Check element positioning. Ensure that your header and other elements are properly positioned. Overlap often occurs due to incorrect positioning. Use the Wix editor to adjust the position of your header and other elements. Step 2. Use stacking. Group elements into a stack to maintain consistent spacing as the screen resizes. This helps control the relationship and spacing between elements. Step 3. Adjust header settings. Go to the header setting in the Wix editor. Ensure that the header is set to fixed if you want it to stay in place while scrolling, or scroll if you want it to move with the page. Step 4. Check overlapping strips. If you have strips overlapping with the header, adjust the strip height and position to ensure they do not interfere with the header. Step 5. Preview and test. Use the preview mode in Wix to test how your site looks on different devices and screen sizes. Make adjustments as needed to ensure there is no overlap. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.